Hi everyone and welcome to the EEG or the English Easy Goldstar channel. In this video is the reading practice for Write Up. Let's start the practice. So let's read. Okay. Repeat after me. Ask, ask, ask. Okay, next. 8, 8, 8. Next word. Behind, behind, behind. Okay, next. Believe, believe, believe. Okay, next. Company, company, company. Okay, next. Country, country, country. Okay, next. Door, door, door. Okay, next one. Down, down, down. Okay, next. Even, even, even. Okay, next. Ever, ever, ever. Okay, next. Fall, fall, fall. Next. Far, far, far. Okay, next one. Getting, getting, getting. Okay, next. Given, given, given. Okay, next. Happy, happy, happy. Okay, next word. Happened, happened, happened. Okay, next. Ice, ice, ice. Okay, next. Inside, inside, inside. Okay, next. Look, look, look. Next. Little, little, little. Okay, next. Might, might, might. Next. Mind, mind, mind. Okay, next. Night, night, night. Next. 9, 9, 9. Okay, next word. Order, order, order. Okay, next. Own, own, own. Okay, next. Police, police, police. Okay, next. Pretty, pretty, pretty. Okay, next. Ride, ride, ride. Next. Run, run, run. Okay, next word. See, see, see. Okay, next. Seat, seat, seat. Okay, next. Teacher, teacher, teacher. Okay, next. Team, team, team. Okay, next word. Week, week, week. Okay, next. Well, well, well. Next. Yard, yard, yard. Okay, next word. Year, year, year. Okay, next. Across, across, across. Okay, next. Against, against, against. Next. Bad, bad, bad. Okay, next. Bag, bag, bag. Next word. Care, care, care. Okay, next. Carry, carry, carry. Okay, next. Down, down, down. Okay, next, dress, dress, dress. Okay, next word, every, every, every. Okay, next, everyone, everyone, everyone. Okay, next, future, future, future. Okay, next, flower, flower, flower. Okay, next word, gone, gone, gone. Okay, next, grade, grade, grade. Next word, hour, hour, hour. Okay, next, himself, himself, himself. Okay, next, king, king, king. Next, kin, kin, kin. Okay, next, little, little, little. Next, live, live, live. Okay, next word, might, might, might. Next, mind, mind, mind. Okay, last, nearly, nearly, nearly. Okay, let's just go back to some words and let's repeat them. Okay, follow after me. Behind, behind, behind. Next, believe, believe, believe. Okay, next, company, company, company. Okay, next, country, country, country. Okay, next, given, given, given. Okay, next, happy, happy, happy. Okay, next word, happened, happened, happened. Okay, next, little, little, little. Okay, next, police, police, police. Okay, next, pretty, pretty, pretty. Okay, next, teacher, teacher, teacher. Okay, next, team, team, team. Next, across, across, across. Next word, against, against, against. Okay, next, every, every, every. Okay, next, everyone, everyone, everyone. Okay, next, future, future, future. Okay, next, flower, flower, flower. Okay, and then hour, hour, hour. Okay, that's it. Very good. And we are done with the fourth reading practice. Thank you so much for watching, and we hope that you keep learning with us. Again, please don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel. Stick around for the next video. Bye for now.